Hello students, these days you are preparing for your first term test. So in this video I am going to discuss a grade 6 mathematics test paper for the first term test. I invite you to subscribe my channel and stay with us. Then you can get more videos like this. Question number 1. Name the letters which indicate positions on the circle. On the circle means on the curved line. So, on the circle there are points F and C. So, we can name them as F, C. Question number 2. Name two objects that have circular shaped faces. What are the objects? There are many objects. A circle, a bangle, then a plate, then a face of a clock, then a wheel. You can name two of these objects. Question number 3. What are the next two terms of the pattern 2, 9, 16, 23? The pattern given here is 2, 9, 16, 23. Then we are asking the next two terms here. So what is the pattern given here? 2 plus 7 is 9. Then 9 plus 7 is 16. 16 plus 7, 23. 23 plus 7 is 30. 30 plus 7, 37. So 30 and 37 are the next two terms here. Question number 4. Fill the blank with the suitable number. Blank, then minus 14 equal to 7. We can find the number by adding 7 and 14. 7 and 14, the addition is 21. So 21 is the number that we can write for the blank here. 21 minus 14 equal to 7. Question number 5. What is the value represented by number 6 in 8764? The number given here is 8764. Then what is the place value in the digit 6 here? That is a tens place. So place value represented by this place is 10. So we can find the value by multiplying 6 by 10. Then the answer is 60. 60 is represented by this digit 6. Question number 6. Find the balance amount of money you receive when you give 100 rupees to buy a book that costs 72 rupees. We can find it by subtracting 72 from 100. Then 10 minus 2 is 8. Then 9 is remaining. 9 minus 7, 2. So the answer is 28 rupees. Question number 7. Write 4,800,002 in standard form. 4 million, then 800,000. You have to put two zeros here. You have to keep a small gap between each number zones. Then 2, then 00, 2. You have to write like this. Question number 8. What is the greatest number you can write using the four numbers 5702? Each only once, such that the units place of the number is 7. They are given the units place should be 7. So we have to choose the other 3 digits. As this is the maximum number that we can write, the greatest number, we have to choose the highest digit here. What is the highest digit? The greatest digit here is the next digit 5. Then next greatest digit is 2. Then here 0. So this is the number, highest number that we can write here. Section number 9, we are given to simplify this. Part 1. 7,892 minus 975. You have to write like this. The place values one below the other. The each digit in the similar place values one below the other. Write like this. Then we'll do the subtraction now. 12 minus 5 is 7. Here 8 is remaining. 8 minus 7, 1. Then you can take 1 from this side. 18 minus 9, 9. Then 6 is remaining. So 6,917 is the answer. Then second part here. 2,350 plus 52 plus 7. Three numbers are added here. 7 plus 2 is 9. Then 5 plus 5, 10. 1 is remaining. Then 3 plus 1, 4. Then 2 comes here. 2,409 is the answer. Question number 10. The person day of this year is on 14th of June 2022. Write that date in standard form. First, the year should be written using 4 digits. 2022. Then put a small dash here. Then June. June month is the 6th month. So you have to write 06. Then the date with 2 digits, 14. This is the way we are writing a date in standard form. Question number 11. Tarindi is 4 years younger than Pavani. The sum of the ages of them is 30 years. Find the age of Pavani. We know that 15 plus 15 equal to 30. So if I add 2 to 115, it becomes 17. Then I am subtracting 2 from the other 15. That becomes 13. Then the addition is 30 now. Then what is the difference between these 17 and 13? There's a gap of 4. So we can take the ages like this. We are asking the age of Pavani. Pavani is the youngest one. So Pavani's age is 13 years. Question number 12. Write all the integers marked on the following number line. In the number line, if we go from the left side to right side, the first digit that is marked is minus 2.5. Then the second digit marked is 0. Next one 1.5. Last one is 4. So these are the digits that we can write here. Question number 13. The distance between the two cities A and B is 95 kilometers. Round it off to the nearest 10. When we are rounding off to the nearest 10, we are looking at the last digit here. That means the ones place digit. Here ones place digit is 5. So we are rounding off it to the nearest higher multiple, that is 100. So it can be a round off to 100 kilometers. Question number 14. Draw the angle which is greater than a right angle in magnitude and less than a straight angle in magnitude. What is the type of that angle? We can draw the angle like this. The type is obtuse angle. Question number 15. A vendor estimated that he can make 10 packets of tea dust using 500 grams of tea dust. Find the estimated number of packets of tea dust he can make using 5 kilograms. From 500 grams, 10 packets. Then from 1 kilogram, twice of this, 20. Then from 5 kilogram, we can find this by 20 multiplied by 5. That is 100. This is the estimated number of tea packets that he can make. Question number 16. What is the vertical number of faces of a cube? There are 4 vertical number of faces. So for part 1, the answer is 4. Then second part, horizontal number of faces of a cube. There are 2 faces. Question number 17. Write the shaded part as a fraction of the whole figure. This is the figure given for us. So I can separate the figure like this into equal size parts of the shaded part. So how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the fraction is 1 over 8. Question number 18. The school started at 7 hours 30 minutes. This is given in standard form. If the school ended 6 hours later, write the school ending time in standard form. If you add 6 hours for this time duration, that is 1:30 p.m. So how to write it in standard form? 13 hours 30 minutes. This is the way. Question number 19. Fill in the blanks using less than or greater than correctly. First one is given for us, -5 and +2. What is the largest one here? Greatest one is 2. So we can put the sign less than here. And the open part goes to the largest integer here. That is the way that we can memorize this one. The pointer goes to the smallest integer, then the open part goes towards the largest integer. Then this second one, 0 and -3. What is the largest one? 0. So I can put this sign. Open part goes towards the largest integer, that is 0. Question number 20. What is the direction of the tree if you are looking from the house? House is marked in the figure. So the tree is in the southwest direction. So the answer is southwest.